guys, what's up and welcome to another video. Today we're not going to be doing much. I literally got up, cleaned the kitchen, and Mark is cooking breakfast. Mark got mushrooms and everything in there. Jeez, they're getting high-tech and fancy this morning.
Some sauteed mushrooms for breakfast?
I was laying down on the bed because my legs are full of fluid and I just couldn't sit at my computer no more. But let me show you guys, if I can see out the window, and show you this snow that we got. It's still been really windy, honestly, and it still sounds like a little bit of freezing rain. I'm not sure. But you're not going to be able to see out this window. So yeah, you cannot see out this window whatsoever. You can see out here a little bit. Here is out the front door, where we're probably not getting out anytime soon. My neighbor right here, he just snow blowed his driveway and her driveway, but she has no vehicle or no need a path. We have 2 vehicles and we have one of the largest driveways in the park. Somebody come do mine? Yeah, most people their driveway is only wide enough to put one. Like, you only fit one in his vehicle, in his driveway. This one here, you can fit more than one, but he only has one. But yeah, most driveways, you only fit 1 vehicle. Ours, you can fit 3 this way in our driveway. Princess sizes. I love this new spices that we bought. Let me show you. This garlic and herb, and that one's good too.
Man, look at my eat, so don't put me on camera.
Too bad, you're already there. So here it is on my plate. 3 eggs, some bacon, some mushrooms, and my Smokehouse bacon mayo. Hello guys. I just went out and tried to shovel a little bit of the snow so the dog can get out and have a pee. I'm out of breath. The snow was up over my winter boots and it was drifted into the door. So when you open the door, the snow fell in. So I had to clean that right quick. I look so sexy, but today is going to be a lazy day because I don't feel like going out there shoveling. I cleaned off the doorstep and that was enough for me. Let me show you what my window looks like. So there's the window. It's a little bit of mixture of snow with freezing rain underneath it. So it's quite cold. Like, literally going outside now will take your breath away. And being out of breath from shoveling, because I'm out of shape. But from trying to shovel in this cold is not that easy. So let me tell you the temperature of the weather today. And the dog's crying. Like, literally, she could barely get out to have pee. And we can't get off of our doorstep yet. So she's peeing on the doorstep. And then I'll shovel the snow off after. Right now it says -11, but I think with the windshield, so wind gusts are 50 kilometers an hour, and it feels like -21. So it is cold. And there goes my ice maker. Maggie's going crazy at the moment. You'll probably be able to see her in a second. Mark's gone to the bathroom and we block her off from the hallway, just so she don't go back there and make a mistake, and especially where she don't like to be outside at the moment because of the snow. I don't want her to go back and make a mess. Maggie! She don't stop. Gone again. Give her a few seconds, she'll probably come back. Maybe. Look at my freaking face. I never broke out since the summertime. What the hey? She come back again. Yeah. Here she comes again. So my flippin' office is a mess. In that white box there's 2 hoodies that I have to make for myself. One for me, one for Mark. It's so they're gold color. It's called Old Gold. So I don't know what I'm gonna put on it yet. And then I have my butcher paper there. What do I have back here? I have a few mugs that I made. Some ornaments there that I have to do. This has to go on a hoodie. This right here. So I have things ready for orders that I need to do. I just need to get it done. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning. We just finished eating breakfast, as you already seen. So I'm just trying not to fall back to sleep. Uploading a vlog. Something short and simple from yesterday and the day before. So I'm uploading it to YouTube now. It's all done and edited. Honestly, it wasn't very much. It was just a food haul. And if you're watching this, you've probably already seen the other one. And if not, please go watch it. So today is 1 year and a day since I've been monetized. Love it. Makes me feel so happy. So YouTube and my business, I really, really want to make it my full-time income. So far I think I could do it. I'm getting pretty stocked up on my supplies. I went and bought supplies 3 times yesterday because every time I went to go buy some, I'd get another order and I'm like, oh, I ain't got that color. So I got an order last night for, in this bag here, where it's shiny, there's 4 tote bags that I need to make for a customer. And they want a name written across each bag. And they wanted it in a wine color, so like a burgundy. I didn't have that at all. So that's why yesterday I had to make 3 trips up there. So, and I'm not going nowhere today. So if I run out of something and if I don't have something, it'll have to wait till Monday. But I have enough stuff to keep me busy between today and tomorrow. Yeah, and I don't think there'll be no deliveries made either. Not in this stuff. Hopefully tomorrow it'll start to get mild, I'm hoping. It's supposed to be really cold overnight, -17. -28 with the wind chill. Holy Lanta. What is tomorrow? Actually, tomorrow is -14 with -24 is the wind chill. So I don't think things are going to melt. Yeah. I don't know what Monday will bring. I don't like looking at it on here. I like looking at it on my cell phone instead. What is Monday? Oh, Monday is a mixture of rain and snow and 4 degrees. That I can handle. It says 25 millimeters of rain, so hopefully it gets rid of all this stuff. I don't want the snow to last too long. Yeah. So I will touch back with you guys in a little bit. Guys, here's my supper I just cooked. I have pork chops, mushrooms, and Caesar salad as normal, sitting here watching Kevin on Tuber Chat. Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. So I'm bundling up like Fort Knox because I have to go outside and shovel. I'm going to show you guys a lot of snow. So guys, here is our snow. We couldn't see the steps earlier, but Mark kind of went through it. but he's going to start my vehicle because I need to be running around today somehow. I was just straight up recording and never hit the button. But here's our snow. Where's your scraper? You had it last. That's mine you broke.
That's mine.
You had it last, I thought. So this is what our neighbor did and snow blowed this part of the driveway. Now to find my scraper. I thought you were the last one that used it.
No, I used my own.
Because I never used it last time. Back seat. Did you unlock all the doors?
Yes. Probably not froze.
Yeah.
Side door's open.
This one?
Yep.
No, that was my scraper that you broke.
Where's mine?
I don't know. In the shed, probably.
Where's that? That is mine. I had it in the truck. I went to the shed and got that one.
That's the exact same as mine.
No, I'm something wrong.
Because I had mine in the house, remember? You broke mine. He broke mine, guys. He's guilty.
Oh, no, I didn't break your scraper.
He's saying he didn't break my scraper. But this is my scraper. This here was my scraper. He broke it. No, it's not. Because mine was in the house. And you had took it out here to clean off the vehicles last time. That is my scraper.
Mine's not back here. That was my scraper. That's because your scraper's probably still loose.
Well, I can't go in there because of the dog.
It's alright. Where you gonna go to?
Off the snowbank.
No, this is my scraper. No, that's mine. Remember? My just yours never?
Mine does.
No, it's mine.
Woo. So it's really, really cold and Mark's stuck in the snow. So I'm going to stand back to show you guys his tire spinning. He has it in four-wheel drive, I think, but he can't get out. Oh yeah, I found my scraper, by the way. Ah. See? Everything underneath is ice. So I don't think I'd be moving my car either. Oh, there he goes. And of course the car had to come at the same time. So there's a little bit of a hole he dug. I'm trying to get out. He always takes off first. I'm the one that has to go out. We leave my car here and he takes off first. So he'll come back, pop his vehicle in. So I better get the shovel in because he's gone now. He decided to come back and join me. Oh. It is cold out here, guys, and this snow is heavy. It's heavy because of all the freezing rain. Oh, I cleaned up all around there so when he pulls in his vehicle, he shouldn't spin anymore. Well, he's going blind.
Oh, the sun is down.
Oh, the sun is too bright for him. My car is still buried. But it should be melted off there soon. This is not how I want to spend my day. But tomorrow, most of this will probably be melted because it's calling for 25 millimeters of rain and mild temperatures. Like right now it's minus 25 with the wind chill. This weather can change in a heartbeat. It's Nova Scotia, what can you expect? Here guys, see Mark taking the easiest job again. While I shovel. So guys, I took it for a drive. I'm up at our corner store. Oh my god, look at my hair. Anywho, that was a little bit of a tough one trying to get out of my driveway, but it wasn't too bad. I actually had an easier go than what you see Mark with the truck. So I drove it. I tried to back it up. It wouldn't go. I drove it ahead a little bit to get over the bump, and then I give her scare shitless because Mark's truck was right behind me, so I had to cut my wheel hard to get out. But he has it hot enough in here. You don't want to know my saying for that. But it's hotter than I don't know what in here. And I got like layers on because it's cold outside. It's -11 with the windshield of like 25. So let me go back and see if I can pull back in the driveway. Hey guys, welcome to In the House Me. It is so cold out, but yet so hot. Like I'm dying in heat. And I come in to finish my coffee so I can do my run around and make myself look a little bit better. Which, that's going to be hard to do today. So last night in my live stream, I made a bunch of mugs, if you want to see. I have them all packaged up now, ready to go be delivered to a keto bakery who sells mugs and other things for me. And so there's a few other places that I have to get in contact with about selling more stuff, selling stuff there as well. Meg, stop your crying. Mark just let the dog in the house if you hear her crying in the background. She was off the doorstep running around, but it can be a dangerous area around here if your dog's off leash. So I think Mark's coming in the house now. At least we got everything shoveled, which was kind of nice. Get rid of this. Look at my face. I'm all freaking broke out. Sorry guys, I look really rough. But, so I need to sit here now and cool off. Get my heart rate low again. Before I take off out of the house and go deliver the mugs. What's up everybody? Just a little bit of a check-in. Just went to the superstore. I'm gonna make sure there's no one around me. Got myself 2 things of almonds. Nuggets. Today's been a long day. I got some keto bars because they didn't have Mark's one that was like turtles. So this is supposed to be nutty caramel. So it should be close to the same, but in bar form. And I got Mark 2 bags of chips. There's not much in these bags, so I got 2. So now I'm about to go home. I went and dropped off more mugs to the keto place. Some more keto mugs, which are so stinking cute. And I gotta make some more. She wants some more from Yellowstone. So now I gotta go and do that. So hopefully they sell. Fingers crossed. I'll keep on bringing them as much as they sell. So let me go home now and shower and then do some work. Because I'm so hot, I layered up too much, even though it's -11 with the windshield of -25 still. But it's still, I'm the type of person I can go in just a sweater and be fine. If I'm a little bit cold, that is okay. But having a winter jacket on is just too much for me. Too much. So let me go see what Mark is doing home. Hey guys, so I'm going to close out my vlog today. Hopefully you enjoyed the little bit of snow action this morning. But I just finished doing my live stream, so now I'm gonna go ahead and edit this so you guys can see it tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When I look at my stats, there's over half the people that are not yet subscribed. It would mean a lot if you would subscribe. And yeah, and check out my membership shout out in the description below. Love you all and see you in my next one.